There's a word for what that is.
Actually, there is a word for that. It's love. I'm in love with her, okay? If you're looking for the word, that means caring about someone beyond all rationality and wanting them to have everything they want, no matter how much it destroys you, it's love. And when you love someone...
So welcome back to my channel. So I had did a poll on Instagram and I asked you guys if you wanted to see my skin routine. So today I came with my skin routine because I feel like it's only right and I don't want to take long like I normally do. Oh, and my bonnet is available on my website. It looks like this, so pretty. I had it for a while, so it's probably busted, but it's on the website. So yeah, anyways, all I did was wash my face. I washed my face using the Good Molecules. I really love the Good Molecules. Looks like this. I'm gonna have everything linked down below for your convenience. They're not sponsoring me. I literally found this company from my mom because she uses this and her skin looks nice. If you watch my video when I first unboxed this, I put it in one of my haul videos. You guys would see that. But yeah, I use this Gentle Rose Daily cleansing gel. It's a cleansing gel, so it's very light. Like when you're washing your face, you can feel how soft it is. And I wash it for 30 seconds just because I'm not doing anything at nighttime besides sleeping. So I use this for 30 seconds and then I rinse my face. Make sure the water is lukewarm, like kind of cool but kind of warm. So in the center, not too hot, not too cold. I don't know why. I just feel like if it's too hot, when your face dries, it makes it super dry. And if it's too cold, just doing too much. Just closing your pores. And I feel like I need my products to seep into my skin. I don't need my skin to be shocked closed, right? I just use this and then I make sure that my face is still a little bit damp. And while it's still damp, I'm going to use a cotton round and my toner. So this is the toner that I use. I use a lot of Good Molecules product and I feel like when I find something good, don't get me wrong, I do switch up my products depending on what my skin needs. Is the lighting too bright? I do switch up the products depending on what my skin needs. So I use this toner and a cotton round. Sometimes I put the toner in my hand, but I'm just gonna put it on the cotton round like this, and I sweep it across my face. I don't do it too hard because I don't want to be tugging at my skin. I literally just wipe it across my face like so. And sometimes, like when I have my bumps on my face, I used to put some aloe vera because the bumps used to hurt so bad. Like it used to be burning me. And aloe vera, this specific one, I got it from Amazon. I normally just put a little bit right now, but like before I would literally put so much on my face because the bump would be so like hurting. This would help to heal it so it's not like a raw bump on my face. So I'm gonna also put a little drop to show you guys, about this much. You can't even see it. And then I just put that on my nose, on my forehead, everywhere. And then for the serums that I use every single day, I love using these three. They're basically color correcting because my skin was very, like I had a lot of dark spots everywhere. I'm gonna add up a few pictures and stuff so you guys can see. I'm also not gonna be doing my nighttime routine in this video. If you want to see my nighttime routine, make sure you thumbs up this video and comment that down below, and I will definitely make the nighttime version of this video just because it's very different. I have different products for different things and my nighttime is very different than my daytime routine. So yeah, I use the Discoloration Correcting Serum. This is my second time buying this and I feel like this really helped with my dark spots. It's empty. Oh my gosh, this is so embarrassing. I should have ordered a new one. Okay, so I just take it and I drop it on my skin. Don't make the dropper touch your skin. And then I just rub it in. My forehead was the worst. Like, don't get me wrong, my cheeks were bad too. And the thing I like about Good Molecules, they're very affordable, so anybody could get it, right? You don't have to spend a bunch of money in Sephora to get it. Then I go in with the Daily Brightening Serum. I normally squeeze it in my hand, but oh, that's too much. You just need a little bit. I don't know why I'm ODing. Okay, I'm gonna wait for it to kind of dry down a little bit, not too much, because you still want your skin to be damp so everything can, I don't know, I don't want my skin to be dry because I feel like when it's dry, it's just like my pores are closed off and I don't need that. Just fan it a bit. Okay, and lastly, I'm gonna go in with my Super Peptide Serum. I use this every day. It's the Super Peptide. In my nighttime routine, if I'm doing my nighttime routine, I'm gonna show you guys how I take off my makeup. But comment down below if you want to see my nighttime routine. I know you guys do, so comment comment down below. The thing that I feel like really got rid of my bumps on my face, this is very important. I just want to tell you guys, so in 2018 I went to my dermatologist because my skin was messing up, like breaking out again. So I went to my dermatologist and he prescribed me epidural, and then my insurance changed and I just refused to pay a lot of money for my epidural. So I just went ahead and I looked at the main ingredients in it, and I just got those 2 things off of Amazon, and I'm gonna show you right now. Do not go and buy the whole thing, okay? Actually, I already bought some more, so if you guys go ahead and buy it, it's fine. But yeah, these are the 2 things that I mixed together, and this is like the thing I feel really helped the bumps to go away, because this is what's the active ingredients in the epidural. So I got the adapalene gel 1%, and then I got the benzoyl peroxide 2.5%, and it looks like this. These are the things that I mixed together. It's so worth it because the epidural costs like $600, and this is just like $15 and like $29, so you pay about $45 roughly, something like that. So I highly recommend this. I'm gonna link it down below. If you're going through like an acne phase, make sure, I'm gonna show you how to properly apply this so your skin is not drying out, because I know when you're using like acids or even chemicals and shit like that, it can really dry your skin out. So I'm gonna show you how to properly apply this. You can look for products like how I'm using it and see if it's gonna work for your skin, because you want to repair the barrier of your skin. You don't really want to irritate it using harsh products, right? So the moisturizer that I've been using recently, I normally use the this one. I'm gonna pop it up on the screen. It's from Sephora, but Sephora is not selling it anymore for some reason. I'm using the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. I got this from CVS. I feel like it's very affordable. Other than what Sephora normally sells, I feel like this one is very affordable, and it has like a jelly type consistency. So I just take a little bit of that like so, and I put this on my skin. Make sure that your hands are clean. And I know with the bumps being on your face, do not spot treat with the benzoyl peroxide and stuff. You want to apply it just how you would apply the epidural. So the epidural says to apply in a pea size, and I'm going to show you exactly what a pea size means. And me, anytime I'm breaking out, even if like it's just hormonal period, you know, breakout, I use this, and this literally dries it up in 2 days. So what I do, I take a little bit of this. I'm gonna put it on my finger and show you what a pea size is. About this much. You want to use about this much. So I put half and half of the epidural, not the epidural. I put half benzoyl peroxide, half adapalene gel. You're gonna mix it together, and you want to put this all over your face, focusing on, I don't really put it on my nose, because the thing about it, when you use this, it's gonna make your skin purge. So if you realize you're getting more acne like a week after starting this routine or like using these items, please keep using it. After like 3 weeks, you're gonna see it kind of going away slowly, because it needs to purge. Because what this is doing, it's pulling all the bacteria and acne out of your skin, and then it's gonna dry it down, right? And then the brightening stuff is gonna help to get rid of the discoloration. Don't get me wrong, everybody's skin is different, but I highly think that this is gonna help you. My neighbors are loud. And then once you do that, you want to go in with a little bit of the moisturizer again. That's why I just used a little bit, and that's gonna seal in the benzoyl peroxide stuff, because when you put the first layer, it's gonna give it just a layer for it to sit on, and it's not gonna be like harsh on your skin because it has that moisture barrier. Okay, and then the last thing that I like to do is put on sunscreen, and that's basically it for the routine. Sunscreen that I like to use is Supergoop sunscreen. This is how you properly apply your sunscreen. If you did not know, you put it on your finger, and this is how you know you're applying it right every time. So you put 2 lines like so, and this is the right amount to put on your face. I know Supergoop is kind of expensive, so you might not want to do this, but this is how much you're supposed to put on your face to protect the spots from getting darker because of sun exposure. Oh, I forgot to put on my eye cream, but that's fine. If I am wearing eye cream, I'm definitely wearing Caffeine by the Inky List. I'm definitely wearing this. I've been using this for years. It never fails me. That's why my eyes aren't dark underneath. So yeah, once I'm using this and I'm getting like at least 5 hours of sleep, I'm perfectly fine. So yeah, I didn't use it today, but I'm gonna use it tonight. If you guys want to see my nighttime routine, make sure you comment down below. And thank you so much for watching. My nighttime routine is very different, and I feel like it's very essential for getting rid of the bumps as well. Throughout this video, I'm pretty sure I was popping up pictures, but my skin was going through it. It was really bad, and I feel like because I had stress too, it was making it even worse. So what I would say, some extra tips I would give you is to try to consume more water. And I take iron supplements. I take vitamin C, vitamin D3. I take this every day. I'm gonna put on my, I should have put on my eye cream, but oh well. Mine's are gonna be dry as fuck. Just a little bit. I already put on my damn sunscreen. If you're putting on your eye cream, make sure you put it on when you put on, right after you're done putting on your serums, because I forgot. And one of my favorite face masks is this. This is one of my favorite face masks. I got this from Sephora. It's the Squalane Glycolic Renewal Mask. Do not use this if you have active breakouts on your face. I recommend using it when the bumps are healed. After you've been using the aloe vera for about, let's say, 2 weeks, then you can try testing this out. This helps to like get rid of any like texture on your skin. So I recommend this when your skin is kind of like healed, where it just has like little texture bumps, right? And I use this a lot, so I need to get a new one. Let me show you. I started using it when the bumps were healing. When the bumps healed. But you can see I use a lot of it. And yeah, just comment down below if you guys want to see my nighttime routine, and I will definitely make it, because I'm not doing the nighttime routine right now because it's morning time, daytime. And my favorite lip balm at the moment is the Mario Badescu lip balm. This is the only thing I like from Mario Badescu, because it's like a thick consistency, but it doesn't get your mouth turning white, and it stays on if you're not licking it off. This is my favorite lip balm. That's literally the routine. This is what I do almost every day. Sometimes I would like do it, let's say 6 times a week, and not put on, give my skin a little bit of break from the benzoyl peroxide, but you want to up your time. So I use the benzoyl peroxide morning and night, but like when I have first started, I use it every morning and every night. And when you first start, you want to build up yourself, so try doing it every 2 days. So you do it Monday, you do it Wednesday, you do it Friday, you do it like that, and then you give yourself a break on the weekend until you could build up yourself, and then you start doing it every day. And then when you could really build up yourself, then you could do it morning and night, and then you're gonna see a drastic difference in your skin. But this is basically my routine. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Comment down below if you guys want to see my nighttime routine. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.